Let me grab all of your attention for a moment. It won't take more than 5 minutes, I promise. So let me walk you through a product we have been working on. Like you all know that these days everyone is buzzing with the word AI, LLMs and other things, hot stuff. We also worked hard and tried our innovation into this new AI market. So this is the first product we are working on. Let me introduce you to our product, SurePass AI Playground. Okay, so let me first tell you what is the AI Playground. The AI Playground lets you upload any kind of document to our portal. It would be like a ChatGPT like interface, and more or less it allows you to upload any kind of document, whether it's a scanned document, whether it's identity card, whether it's passport, whether it's purchase order, invoices, anything. You upload it to our portal. You decide whatever fields you want to extract for the documents, whether you want to extract the dates, whether you want to extract the brand, if you want to extract the name, all of the relevant details. You provide it to our interface, and then whatever extra details you want to mention. Suppose that if the document contains watermark and you want the watermark to not be included in the document, or if the document is in some special regional language and you want to instruct our LLMs that the document should be passed for that particular language, then you can also include an additional instruction. And then you upload that, hit the process button. Our LLM will start processing the documents, whatever you provide, and give you the structured JSON response of whatever document you upload. So the uploaded documents may contain many fields. Suppose you upload a PAN card or your passport. The passport may contain MRC lines and their name, the passport ID, and all date and issuance date. These are all fields which can be extracted. And apart from that, if you don't want to extract any fields and you want to perform some specialized operations such as redacting the PII information from the document, that can be done as well in our playground. And once you are done with your recipe, what we are calling is a recipe. So suppose you uploaded a PAN card and you mentioned to our prompt that you want to extract the name, date of birth, and the PAN number from the document. It will give you the structured data in a JSON format. And this particular instruction can be saved as a recipe, which you can use it later to invoke it for another PAN number anytime from our portal. This is what our AI Playground was all about. And let's walk you through the use cases. So suppose in our various sectors such as lending, finance, banking, there is a manual effort to process manually submitted physical documents, physical copies of purchase orders, invoices and all, which still needs to be processed digitally. This requires a lot of labor and manual effort, doing cross-checking, and there is also a room for discrepancies included within this manual process. So these all can be removed from the document process. So I will just invite my colleague Abhishek to lead on with the another products we have. Okay, I think that's all. We will come back to you with other products.